In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout process of your online store by editing the code of your main product page. Whether you're looking to improve user experience or simply want more control over the design, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process of altering your store's coding to better suit your needs. To start, ensure you are on the home page of your online store's admin panel. This is where all the magic happens. From here, look for the section labeled Online Store in the side panel. Click on it, and you'll see several options unfold. Navigate to the ellipses, which should be near the Actions label. When you click on the ellipses, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Code from the list. This is an important step because it takes you directly to the back end of your store, where all customizable coding is located. Once you're inside the code editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side where code files are organized. Search for the Sections folder, as this is where you're going to be spending some time. Within this folder, locate a file titled something like mainproduct.liquid. Depending on your platform, the names might vary just a bit, but it typically includes main, product, and liquid. Click into this file to access the code you need to edit for altering the payment section. Next, you'll need to perform a search within this document. Utilize the search function, usually accessible with a simple command like Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on Mac, and look for the keyword payment. This will swiftly guide you to the section of code related to your store's payment processing options. Now comes the part where you'll need some fresh code to paste in. Although I won't provide specific code here, the good news is there are plenty of customizable snippets available online. You can search for one that fits your needs, whether it's a functional change or aesthetic enhancement. Once you've found and copied your desired code, you're ready to proceed. With the new code in hand, you'll want to highlight the existing section within the document that pertains to payment. Carefully replace this selected text with your new code by pasting it over the highlighted section. Ensure everything is correctly aligned and perfectly integrated to avoid any coding mishaps. After you've pasted your new code, it's critical to save these changes. Look for a Save button, often at the top right or bottom left of the editor, and click it to confirm your adjustments. This step solidifies everything you've done, ensuring your online store reflects these changes moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through editing your online store's code, tailored the payment section, and saved your work. Remember, experimenting with code can sometimes lead to trial and error, so feel free to revert changes and try different codes until you achieve your desired outcome.